Welcome to Lane Credit University. My name is Conrad Layn. If you want to learn everything there is about building personal credit and business credit, you came to the right place. I'm going to teach you everything I've learned, and I want to teach you everything. I don't care if you have went through a bankruptcy. I don't care if you filed a Chapter 7, a Chapter 11. If you have corporate debt and with your bankruptcy on the corporate side. I don't care if you have business debt or business bankruptcy. I don't care if you have personal debt and a personal bankruptcy. I don't care if you're in the process of filing bankruptcy. I don't care if you're just recovering from a bankruptcy. I don't care if you have bad credit, good credit, no credit on your personal side and your business side. There's many videos online that teach you how to build business on the personal side that are good, and I found a lot of videos that are terrible, which motivated me to create Lane Credit University. There's a lot of misinformation out there, and why you should listen to me. I was a HUD certified counselor who specialized in credit building for a nonprofit by the name of NACA. I also was HUD certified for a 501c3 that was sponsored by the Small Business Administration. I worked for the Small Business Administration, the same business administration that gave all the EIDL loans and business interruption loans and PPP loans for people that are familiar with the SBA, Small Business Administration. They have a division called SCORE, and I worked for SCORE through that division to help business owners like you watching me, sole proprietors, if people want to build their credit on a business side. So if you want to learn everything there is about building business credit, because there's not a lot of good information about building business credit, there's not even a lot of good information about building personal credit. And if you want to learn how to repair your credit so you don't have to pay these expensive and thousands of dollars to repair your credit, I'm going to teach you how to do that. I don't care if you're going through bankruptcy. I don't care if you have the worst credit ever. I don't care if you're poverty stricken. I don't care if you have a little bit of money, a lot of money. If you have good credit and you're trying to get to the next level, because sometimes maybe you have good credit, but you just don't know how to get to that next level, start getting higher limits. Maybe you have $10,000 credit cards. You want to start getting $100,000 credit cards. You don't know how to get to that next level. Maybe you have bad credit and no one's giving you a chance. Maybe you have no credit, you just don't know how to start. This is where you learn for absolutely for free. So don't waste no more time. Hit that bell, subscribe so you're alerted. I have really good content and you're going to learn. Like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Instagram, Conrad Layn, TikTok, Rumble, and YouTube, my home.